Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. First, make sure you're on a supported Windows 10 or 11 build and that game bar is installed. Open Settings, go to Gaming and turn Xbox Game Bar on. This registers hotkeys and background services. Sign into your Microsoft account so cloud features authenticate. Once done, restart the PC to reload system services and device drivers, because many game bar features require the service to start cleanly after a restart. Now you'll dig into settings and services to resolve subtle causes. Open background apps and confirm Xbox, game bar, and gaming services can run in the background. Without permissions, overlays won't appear. Then check Services or Task Manager to ensure gaming services, Xbox accessory management, and game bar services are running. Restart any stopped services. If a service is corrupted, reinstall gaming services from the Microsoft Store or use PowerShell to re-register the app. Finish by resetting and validating the environment to restore features. Reset the Xbox Game Bar app in App Settings to clear caches and broken configs. After resetting, sign in and test overlays. If problems continue, create a fresh Windows user or perform a clean boot to rule out startup conflicts, because third-party overlays or antivirus often block capture. Finally, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and reinstall the app if needed. If it still fails, one key tip: check antivirus or overlay software and temporarily disable them while testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.